You can handle something big. Can you? Oh my God. Hold on. I'm questioning some things about you now, friend. Speak for yourself, little one. What are you doing? What? Today we are making Greek chicken meatballs. Okay, look at it, please. Please, please. It looks so good, right? Can you see it? You can? Okay. So cameraman set all this up because she likes to give a presentation. If it were me, I just dive right in. I dive in. No prep. Okay. Cheers to meatballs. I don't know. Today we're cooking in an apron. Come on, don't do too much. PJs. Cause you know we gotta be comfy. Booty. It's there. Yeah. Okay. Let's cook the food because food. So the cameraman is annoyed because my words keep showing. They're not my words. It's not my apron, but I'm wearing it, so it's annoying her that it keeps showing. So I'm trying to hide it. But if you see it, I don't know what to tell you, sweetie. Roll the clip. We got things to eat. Greek chicken meatballs. So I'm gonna make the meatballs first. This is what I got. 1 pound. Wait, is that 1 pound? That's 1 pound. We're gonna use 2 pounds. So I'm gonna dump everything in. Okay? Ah! I cut myself. Everything's fine. Don't focus on me. Focus on food. I'm fucking up. We're messing up. Okay. There's your 2 pounds of ground chicken. I really cut myself. Well, I didn't cut myself, but like it went in my skin. I know you don't see nothing, but I promise you, it did. Cameraman. I'm not lying. All right, I'm about to cut the veggies that go in the meatballs, okay? Turn it off. I'm gonna prep it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just cut some garlic. It says 4 garlic cloves. I found this on Pinterest, by the way. Ooh, almost cut myself. I'm trying to be healthy. Cameraman is trying to be healthy, right? So I've been trying to look up healthy meals. So we'll add the garlic, the mint, and the red onion in the meatball. It sounds really good. I'm gonna cut a 1/4 cup of red onion. Ooh, not a chef, not a cutting pro type of chef, but I'm a chef. Yeah. Let's get the measuring cup because I need to figure out what 1/4 of a cup of a red onion is. Okay. Ooh. A 1/4 cup. There we go. I'll put this up. Gotta find a spot for this. I'll just put this to the side real quick and deal with this later. Okay. Ooh. fucking up already. It smells so good. Oh my. I don't know if it's washed already. I'm gonna rinse it up. Oh! I'm gonna rinse it. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm in a rush. I'm not in a rush. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. That's good enough to me. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna like smash it. I don't understand how to cut mint. Is it bad? That do good? Let's see. Let's see if I got a fourth of a cup. It smells good. That's about it. Yeah. We're gonna put on this plate because it's all going to the same place. It'll be fine. Okay. So now we're gonna do the deal. Okay. Cameraman, what you got going on over there? Ooh. Ooh. That's strong, ain't it? I'm scared to wash this. It's gonna fall. It's like a little tree. Hold on, wait. This is so cute. Look at this. You getting it? What kind of tree is it giving? Ooh. Okay, we over here playing with our food. Playing with our food. What? Oh, I just said something. Alright. I feel like this is weird. And I really don't want to... You know, I'm going to rinse this off. How should I... What do I do? Why are you sniffing and making faces? Girl, it's deal. It feels real good. It says to chop it, so I'm going to chop it. This don't feel right. I feel like I'm getting the stem. If I fucked it up, that's okay. I'm new at this. I'm new at chopping. Nothing else. Ah, darn it. That smells like a pickle. This is not a fourth of a cup. We gotta cut more of this. What you think? We gotta get all the pieces. What you think, girlie? I might cut a little bit. Huh? You think it's enough? Okay. All right, cameraman. We're gonna let you have one today. All right. I'm just playing. Honestly, like, sometimes I wish you would turn the camera off because, like, why are you recording this? Oh, shoot, we ain't got no zester. All right, this is what I think we're gonna do. Come over here, cameraman. Let's take a sip first. Take a sip. Take a sip of your wine. What are we cheersing to? Me? Why? You're dumb. Alright, we're done. Let's just get back. Let's get focused. Okay. You see that going in? That's what we gonna do. Okay, now I'm going to add the ingredients that they... Pepper. Oh, I forgot all my ingredients. Oops. Sorry, cameraman. Give me one darn second. Give me one darn second, cameraman. Not for real. I lost the ingredients. Okay. We're gonna do some ground cumin. Did I just say ground? Yeah, I did say ground cumin. I'm tripping. Because that's not cumin. That's oregano. Hey. Girl. I'll be on one. All right, we're going to do some pepper flakes. I'm tired of measuring it, but I'm trying to be a little bit more. We want to do one more? I want to do more. That's red pepper. I got some cumin. I forgot the other ingredients. Wait a second. Black pepper, cumin, oregano, red pepper flakes. All right, salt. Ooh. Ooh. All right. I just don't have time. All right. I'm cleaning my mess, and then we're gonna put this together. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add some more seasoning because I just don't feel right. It don't feel right. I gotta put a lot of Italian seasoning. I'm put some Creole. I like a little extra flavor on my stuff. Garlic butter. Oh my God. I might have put too much. But it's okay. And they want us to zest the onion, but I don't have a zester, so I don't know what to do. Oh! All right. Oh, okay. Nothing on my face. Okay. Seriously, I'm over here playing. I'm gonna zest it like this. Oh, look, it worked. Look at that. You see it? You see it? Yeah. Say what you want, sweetie. But, oh, I did too hard. This lemon is washed and ready to go. What am I even talking about? Look at that. Yeah. I think I need to get a zester. Work my muscles today. Don't do me or anything. Can't trust you. I'm zesting it. I mean, it's a little bit. I smell it, look. You see the little piece right there? It's working. We're just gonna be here for a minute. Okay, I can't do this anymore. Let's get some juice. I feel like I got lemon juice in there. I'm gonna just add some, oh shoot. Ooh, we're just gonna do this. I tried. I don't have a zester. I don't have one of those. I don't know what to do. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna be good. All right, so I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna mix it all in. This is actually a lot of meat. I don't know if, Just mixing. It's actually really sticky, so I don't know how I'm about to roll this in a ball, honestly. I'm smelling it because I'm trying to see if I need more seasoning in this mug. No? You would say that. Alright, turn the camera off. Yeah, I didn't forget anything. You like my new glass? I got it from at home. She thick. Short and stout. When in doubt. Okay, we're having rice in our bowls, so I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna do about a cup. But I need to rinse this real quick. So I'm gonna rinse it and I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna do about a cup of water. This is a basmati rice. So I think I like it better when it's less rice. I mean less water. I think it cooks better. It's like the perfect amount. Okay. Okay. I got a new rice cooker. I'm upgrading my life, baby. Let me upgrade ya. Okay. Hold on. Cut. Seasoned very well, don't you think? Yes. Okay, so let's put oil in the pan. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on because I'm really bad at turn that on. Anyway, ooh, that was a lot. I feel like it's sticky, so it's gonna be sticky on my hand. So I'm gonna put some oil on my hand, and then do scooper. Okay, cameraman, we're moving over here. I'm confused. I've lost my marbles. All right. We're gonna let that warm up, and then we're gonna start scooping and throwing it in. And yeah. Cameraman and I are gonna talk. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. She's trying to take a picture. She can't. You don't know how to work my camera. She can't work my camera. I have been. Okay. Drink your drink, girl. All right, I'm gonna put some olive oil in my hand. I was gonna use a spoon, but I'm not doing all that. That's too much work. Well, maybe I should, because it's probably gonna give me the perfect measurement. It's going in. All right, so I'm gonna do that about 1,000 times. They look good. They look kind of big though. You're right. You can handle something big. Can you? Oh my God. Are you? Hold on. I'm questioning some things about you now, friend. What's going on? You really like them this big? What? You started it. All right. She likes nothing that big, guys. We're just being stupid. What? She should speak for herself. Speak for yourself, little one. What are you doing? What What are you doing, girlie? Stop playing. You play way too much. I feel like this is way too much. Look at this pot. I'm gonna put maybe one more in there. Did I make them too big? I want them to cook in the middle. We're gonna do 2 rounds, obviously. I'm gonna wash my hand. Okay, we're gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes on both sides. Then I'm gonna put the lid on it. All right. So it's sizzling. You got it, Cameron? God. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. She smells good too. She smells foreign. I like foreign things. All right, I'm gonna cook this on both sides. Yeah, that's it. All right, I'm about to make some bread. Ooh. So I'm gonna spray some coconut oil on there. I got my Greek bread. What is this? Greek style pita bread. We're just gonna do 2 pieces. And this is, what is this? This is wheat. Now, I saw a picture of this on a Pinterest recipe. So, I wanna try it. All right. So I'm gonna warm up this butter and garlic in the microwave for a little bit. So I'm gonna put that spread on the bread. Yep. I like to make sure everything I cook is well done. So I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna put the lid back on it for like 2 more minutes, just 2 minutes. Because I still want it to be juicy. Get all that flavor. This is what I'm talking about. We got to get everything wet. Everything must be wet. We don't want to waste this good butter here. Why would I waste that? I'm not wasting that. Am I doing too much? You want to put garlic on it? My cameraman's a mute. Is that good? She said put more garlic on my piece. Alright. You smell fire? I'm about to just pour it. About to do some dumb shit. I'm really trying to get every crevice. Because I'm not going to miss not one spot. I'm not going to miss a spot. There you go. I decided to slice it one more time. Ooh. Not a professional. If I cut myself again, I'll be mad. Oh. Cameraman and I watched this movie the other day called Good Boy on Prime. Go watch it. You're gonna be surprised. And it's not the kind of movie we like to watch, first of all. But If you've seen Human Centipede and the walrus one, it's kind of like that, but Good Boys. Good Boys sounds like what? A dog. Crazy. They were, it was a lot. It was a lot. But watch it. It was so good. Oh my God. We're burning. We're burning. Here, man. God damn it. What's going on? Ooh. There we go. She just needed some attention. She just needed a little bit of attention. I got you, girl. All right, we cooked this. I mean, we cut this. Hey. I don't know what's happening. I'm losing it. I need that bowl behind me. Can you hear me, that bowl? Yep. I'm gonna cut my tomato now. I don't know which way to cut it because we should have gotten the cherry. That feel like I cut a big one. Okay, what we're gonna do? This is what we're gonna do. I don't even know I don't know what to do. I'm so confused. I'm gonna go like this. You want like slices? I don't know. What's gonna look good in the bowl? Because I'm trying to give presentation. That's all. Looks perfect, right? What's going on? Turn the camera off. We not on the same beat. Okay. It might be ready. You want it more crunchy? Ooh. I feel like I should flip it. No? That's weird. Some are a little crispier than others, but we like variety. No discrimination over here. You're all welcomed. And let's take out the stuff. It's a little toasty. But don't forget, I use wheat. I use wheat pita bread. So that's what it's giving. Okay. You like it like that? That looks good. I don't want to touch the thing. Zatoxy. I'm not even gonna try. I don't know. I feel like I'm doing this all wrong, but that's okay. I'm gonna add this garlic bread. Should I put it over here? How does that look? Oh wait, no, I'm missing some stuff. Wait. We're gonna put some feta. Do you want lemon juice on yours, or are you good? You want lemon juice? Okay. Oop, almost fell. There you have it. Greek meatballs. All right, I'll make my plate. Okay. I'm gonna put some, I'm not gonna pronounce it. Let me just not even try. That's crazy. And put these in here. I want some of mine, so that's what I'm gonna do. You don't want any, right? You want some? Okay. I'm gonna give you this mini. Is that good? Okay. It looks so good. I'm just eating vegetables. Mmm. Is it good? It's good. Okay, I'm about to eat and watch this movie. Alright, I gotta go. Bye.